Hello and welcome. In this video, you will learn about creating lists in the new library catalog. A list is a great tool to share recommendations and engage with the online library community. Open up the drop-down menu and click Lists. You can use the drop-down menu in the upper right, or from your library dashboard, you can select it from under My Collections. Click Create a New List. There are two types of lists you can choose from. The descriptions of each kind are below. In the editor, you'll be able to start customizing your list. Under List Type, there are a number of options to choose from. For this list, let's go with Genre Guide. Be sure to add a title. It can be as creative or descriptive as you like, but make sure it captures the content of the list. In the description box, add more details about the list. Click Add to List to begin. A minimum of 4 titles have to be included to make the list viable. Include any titles you feel best fit the list you're trying to create. You can also order the list by using the arrows to move the titles around. When you're finished, click Finished Editing. A pop-up window will appear and allow you to select who will see the list. The list will appear in several locations on the site if you choose everyone or a specific location. It can be viewed when other users browse your collection or featured at the bottom of the Recent Activity page. Click the option that suits you and then hit Publish. Go to My Lists. Here you can also edit your lists at any time or delete them entirely. Now you know how to create lists and further engage with fellow library users. Be sure to check out CCPL's other videos about the new library catalog.